compliment of the season, guys. So today I want to make some chin chin, and I decided to share some little secret and tips that helped me preserve my flour for up to 6 months without getting spoiled or any form of weevil in the flour. I'm not going to bore you with so many things. I'm going to go straight into telling you how you can prevent your flour from getting spoiled. But before I go into telling you this special secret, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. My first son's birthday was in August, so I had a lot of flour that I used in baking and doing other things in the house, and it was remaining plenty, and I cannot just discard it like that or leave it to spoil. So I decided to store it in this particular flask for like 6 months or thereabout. So to my greatest surprise, I went to check it after 6 months, and the flour was still intact. It didn't get spoiled. So what I did was that I cleaned this particular flask very well, wash it, clean, dry, like pat it dry. There's no water in it. Then I decided the flour is not much, I use this particular flask. So this is what I use in preserving my flour. I hope this is helpful to somebody out there. In the rest of the video, I'm going to be sharing my special chin chin recipe. If you are wondering how all those big eatery makes their chin chin, then stay to the end of this video. Thank you. My flour is already sieved. I've added all the dry ingredients. I added 2 cups of sugar. Then I grated my nutmeg inside. I'm using 2 butter, that's Siemens butter, then 5 eggs, and then 2 of this liquid milk. Then I have my vanilla and milk flavor to it. So I'm running out of space, so I'm going to go ahead and mix everything off the camera, and I will come and tell you the measurement of the liquid I use. For someone that has a sweet tooth, you may likely increase the sugar, because this is just these 2 cups I mentioned here is just moderate for somebody that doesn't like sugar, or somebody that is trying to cut down on their sugar intake. The 2 cups is better for such a person. But if you're a sweet tooth, you can increase it to 3 cups. The measurement will be in the description box in case I make any mistake here. But I have 15 cups of flour, 2 cups of sugar, 1 nutmeg, 2 butter, which is 500 grams. Yes, that's the dry ingredient. I didn't add a baking powder. That's the secret of those chin chin we eat in the eatery. They don't add baking powder to it. So guys, I mixed very well. Make sure that butter is well incorporated. How to know that your butter is ready and you can go ahead to add your liquid is that it will look like crumbs of bread, either crumbs of bread or gari. If you know gari, so it looks like crumbs of bread or gari. You now pour in your wet ingredient. I first of all went in with my eggs and flavor. My vanilla flavor is in the egg and my milk flavor is in the egg. So I mixed it, and then I went ahead to add the milk. I'm using 2 cups of milk and 2 cups of warm water. Guys, that's what I used for my chin chin. So after that, I allowed the chin chin to rest for some time. Yes, I covered it and allowed it to rest for some time before I came and cut out, and I started rolling and then cutting for frying. I did not finish cutting before I started frying. My younger sister was helping me out to cut, then I will fry. My oil was already on fire, and then I roll it out. If you notice, I did not use flour to dab on the table on the surface before rolling out, because I don't want my oil to get dirty. So I use butter instead. It's better you use butter for your surface. It's best for you to fry on a medium heat. Low heat is not good, while high heat is also not good. The best heat to fry is on a medium heat, so that your butter won't soak the oil
or get burned. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment and subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel. I love you guys, so see you in my next one. Bye bye.